Shazam. We're putting you on YouTube.
You're scaring me. Alright.
Wait, who's playing that?
Me.
Oh. Shazam.
This is like the song I know the best.
You don't have a piano at home or anything, do you?
I actually do.
I know this.
You can go sing it if you know it.
I know this.
Have lyrics, I would know.
Oh, say something, I'm giving up on you.
Oh my gosh, what's next? I hate that.
Because I ate them.
Oh, okay, there we go.
And then we're like this. And we're like that. And then we're like this.
When you're ready, I'm not moving. Why don't you sing, Nick?
I'm just, Mom tells me this all the time.
You gotta hold on to the good things and cherish the memories and go on in life because it don't stop. And you just have to remember that what you're doing in your life might change how someone else is living their life, and it changes everything you are. It's so amazing. Love.
That's true. What's that from?
Yeah.
What's that from?
Angels and Airwaves.
It's very true.
Yeah. I wanna see. Oh! Oh! Is she coming out of this storybook? No.
And I'll sing you a lullaby.
Good night, Norton. Good night, Norton. See you in Salisbury.